So guys, today I'm gonna slam the door. So, I'm just kidding, I would never do that. So yeah, I am wanting to buy cookie dough toy, so I'll get in my Apple car. Ah, that's the fire alarm. The fire alarm's going off. Oh, that's his voice evacuation. I hate this.
Attention. An emergency
I
has been reported in this building.
Like this.
Please cease operations and leave the building utilizing the nearest exit.
I'm not sure why the vented Edward. Yeah, the vented Edward's fire alarm is
Do not use elevators.
fake. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm not sure why. Yeah. Like, dude. Reports that was not a fire drill. A dog pulled the fire alarm. You can now go back into the building. A dog pulled the fire alarm. It must have been Dutchie. Oh, Dutch, did you pull the fire alarm? Oh, yes. You do never do that.